Structure of carboxylic acid. So structure of carboxylic acid is very similar to the structure of carbonyls because in carbonyls there is a carbon double bond oxygen. In carboxylic acid also we have a carbon which are doubly bonded oxygen. And the other two bonds are either satisfied by hydrogen and the alkyl groups on the other side. Now the doubly bonded carbon will have sp2 hybridized carbon and the structure is going to be planar. But the bond between carbon and oxygen, the COH bond of acid is slightly shorter than a pure COH bond which is present in alcohols. This is because in carboxylic acid there is resonance carbon oxygen double bond in carbonyl is 120 picometer, whereas in acid the carbon oxygen double bond is 123 picometer, which is slightly larger than the carbonyl double bond. So this is because of the phenomena of resonance. So structurally it is sp2 hybridized carbon which has planar structure. So rest all chemical properties we will be taking up in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.